This is a preventable disaster. All fires start from somewhere, so fight back using the right tools that will snuff out flames after they kindle. Using a fire extinguisher to put out small fires can save lives and property. Always have one near rooms that pose a higher risk of danger.
Most of your fire extinguishers in a home should be stored near your kitchen area because number one cause of home fires is usually a kitchen fire. Not in the kitchen area, but near the kitchen area. Also, you want to keep a fire extinguisher somewhere near your dryer because dryer fires can happen often as well. Again, not in the same area as the dryer, but somewhere near there. Proper use of a fire extinguisher is to use the PASS acronym. Pull the pin, aim about 6 to 8 feet away from the fire, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze and sweep as you close in.
It's important to know the different types of fire extinguishers out there. There are multiple models, all tasked with tackling a different type of blaze.
Most fire extinguishers are good for Class A, B, C, and D fires. Class A are standard combustible materials, things that you would normally throw in the trash can, paper, plastic. Class B fires are combustible liquids such as oil, grease fires. Class C fires are electrical fires, so if you have an electrical outlet that's on fire or a computer. Class D fires are combustible metals. You can use a fire extinguisher for those as well.
Your fire extinguisher needs to be maintained. Otherwise, you could be left unprotected next time a fire sparks.
Most fire extinguishers should be serviced annually. They're good for 1 year. You should check them monthly to make sure that they're still operational. Turn them upside down, moving the solution inside of it, upside down and then right side up. And then be sure to check your gauges monthly to make sure that it's still in the green and it's still a good fire extinguisher.
If the fire doesn't go out quickly or you feel at risk in any way, leave your home immediately.
Some fires you just need to get out of the home or get out of that structure and call 911 to allow the professionals to handle. Others that are small enough, you can actually use the fire extinguisher.